Samsung's One UI 7.0 is now rolling out to smartphones, bringing a completely redesigned camera app that focuses on effortless one-hand operations and easier access to key features. With a major decluttering of on-screen elements, the new design clears away distractions, making the live preview cleaner and putting what truly matters front and center. UI interactions feel noticeably more polished too, thanks to smooth, fluid animations that add a lively and engaging response to every touch. It's not just a camera app anymore, it's an experience. One of the standout changes is how zoom controls have been reimagined. Instead of being tucked away and layered above the shutter button, the zoom levels now sit neatly just below the camera view. They're fully exposed and more organized, making them quicker and easier to reach, especially when you need to snap that perfect shot fast. The elegant animations that accompany these controls add an extra layer of charm to the experience. Samsung also introduced a clever new way to save space and reduce clutter with what they call the flying menu. Instead of cramming everything onto the main screen, secondary settings have been moved down to a floating button represented by four small dots. Tapping it gracefully expands a strip of options, temporarily hiding the zoom levels. Even the extra zoom options unfold dynamically over this flyout menu, keeping the camera interface feeling light, organized, and intuitive. Overall, the new camera app in One UI 7.0 feels smarter, sleeker, and simply more fun to use. Samsung's thoughtful redesign shows that sometimes a few smart moves can make a big difference in how natural and enjoyable it feels to capture life's moments. Would you also like a slightly more casual or even a little dramatic version, depending on what vibe you're aiming for?